Hello everybody, give it a spark. Good, working nice. Okay, stop the engines. And this time we have a pretty new example. Which one is bad? Yeah, one is like a Volvo, you know, this is a V50, 2004 year made. This electronic control unit in here, we have a Siemens, which one says a SID 803. Sometimes there is a modification SID 803A, but this is a bit newer models. This is the older one. The problem with the car was the car is sometimes stops, sometimes runs, sometimes no, sometimes you cannot lock and unlock the doors. And if we go inside, we can show you the nasty thing. Look what we have in here. Yes, exactly. We have all the electronics out, and the problem is, as you can see, the car is rusty and we still have some water left in. Look, you see? So that's because all that was into the water. All that was into the water. Look in here. And the water can actually come from the roofing if you have, but this one probably is been, I don't know, under the water or something like that. And you have all that wiring, welding job as well. Some wires was broken, so you have to check all these wires and under the car, and to know all that communication is good. In our case, we did clone the CEM module because the CEM module was completely bad. As you can see, we have some rust in there all the way around. Yeah, it's not a very nice. It's too dirty, and we have plenty of fault codes as well inside. So we're doing diagnostic and try to repair all that stuff. We have already dashboard running, climate control running, and everything seems to be okay. Of course, you will ask, how did you manage to know? Then probably there is so many water in there. Yes, then everything is, look, everything is so dirty and so nasty. Then basically all these bugs, you cannot lock and unlock doors and so on. So now we see a little bit of electronics, and this is the ABS control unit. As you can see, we have plenty of faults with the communication. The communication between control modules, with steering wheel module, yes. Communication between the engine control module, which was on the front, which one I showed you in the start. Communication with the body sensor cluster stability, and so on. Look, the diesel engine, what it says 10 ECUs, 10 faults in ECU, glow control relay, bypass valve, turbocharger, communication driver module, DIM. So DIM means the dashboard. We have plenty of stuff. Look, we can try. Can we see the lights come on? Yes, one side is not lighting up, so that one need to be still fixed, I think so. And yes, exactly where this whole thing gone. Look, central electronic, the same module, which one is located under the glow box, another side, and that's the problem. Look, plenty of fault codes. Dimmer faulty, communication with the climate control, communication with driver information module, the same DIM, and plenty of faults. Look, 15 fault codes in. So all these codes is being generated just because of a communication fault. Some of them is green, which will mean they are okay. What we do now, we just clear DTC fault codes after the repairing, and we see what we'll have left. How many fault codes do we have still in this rusty system? You will ask where the airbag control unit is located. Yes, under the console. Look, this lovely ECU. Look where there it is. Yes, this is an airbag control unit located just right on the middle. Okay, let's put the key in. Normally when it's recognized the key, you hear the steering unlocks. Turn the steering wheel just like that. You have some fault codes on as well, so you can go trim all the way through. And it says something about the anti-slip control, because we still have some sensor in there, which I will show you in the moment. And now what we need to do, rescan the system to see do we have some more fault codes in here. So the same thing is with the electronic control unit. It's located just in here, the best place where it can be. The dirt and all that stuff and water goes in, and we all just pulled it out to check the wiring. If the wiring is not bad, did all that thing works correctly, yes? So that is the point actually for that electronic control unit of engine. You can see it's already have some damages by the water, yes? And
So about the ESP and ABS, why you can get the fault code, because this is the place where this component is located, about the ESP and the acceleration module, which one directly actually give information to the ABS ASP system when the car is on the slippery road, when it's on the side going yes, it's like going at centrifuga actually. There you have still some wires to be fixed and you have to check all those wires. So this is how we got stuff with the Volvo V50. So always check and do you have any water in here, otherwise you're gonna be pretty big problems in. Thanks for watching, bye bye.